Hello. In this lesson, you will be introduced to the primary tool you will use for performing data migration work. While there are many different applications available for moving data from one system to another or editing large volumes of data at once, the data loader tool provided by Salesforce is foundational. Understanding how it works will provide a good foundation for working with other tools that are out there now and the new ones that are constantly being developed, such as Data Loader I/O, Jitterbit, and more. So let's begin by getting a copy of the tool onto your PC. Go to Setup, then expand the Data Management section. Select Data Loader from the bottom of the list. You'll then see this page. Click the link under the graphics that's labeled Download the Data Loader. Follow the prompts to download and install the app on your PC. Note that you must be using a Windows operating system to use Data Loader. If you accepted all the defaults during installation, you will see a shortcut icon on your desktop for the Data Loader. Double-click the icon to launch the program. A dialog box will open asking you what action you want to take. The available actions we are going to focus on in this course are Insert, which is used to create new records, Update, which is used to edit existing records, Upsert, when you are using a file that is a combination of new records being created and existing ones being edited, and Export, which is used to get data out of the system without creating reports so that you get the 18-digit record IDs that are not case sensitive. Let's act as if we're going to use a spreadsheet to create new records. We'll select Insert. Another dialog box will open, prompting us to log in. If you've ever logged into Salesforce with a tool other than the browser, you're familiar with security tokens. If not, then it's probably a new concept to you. A security token is an extra layer of security that Salesforce inserts between an outside app and the system. When logging in with an app, you use your regular username, but at the end of your password, you add a 24-digit code, with no spaces in between, to validate your identity. If you don't already have a security token, let's get you one. In the new Setup user interface, we'll click on our name, then My Settings, then expand the first section, Personal. Then select Reset My Security Token from the list. Once we click the button Reset Security Token, an email will be sent to us at whatever email address we have on our Salesforce user record. If you already have a security token, doing this will delete your old token and create a new one, so don't just do this every time you log into Data Loader. Otherwise, if you use more than one app with Salesforce, you'll find yourself having to go through all those apps and change the token again and again, instead of just leaving it set until you change your password. Store the initial security token email somewhere and reuse the current token whenever you need. Note that your password and security token are tied to each other. Whenever you change your password, the system will automatically email you a new security token. Now that we have our security token, let's go back to the Data Loader where we can now log in. I've used the app previously, so it is automatically defaulting to the username of the last org I used it for. That's the one I want, so I'll leave it. I'll enter my password, then with no spaces between, I'll paste my security token to the end of the password. Then hit the Login button. Notice that we remain in the same dialog box, but that there is now a new entry under the password box. It reads, Login completed successfully. We're in. At the bottom of the box are Next and Cancel buttons. We will look at use cases for this app in later lectures and learn how to use these features then, so for now we'll cancel. See you next time!